When a customer turns down a necessary repair, explain the risk clearly. Write it down and have them sign a form confirming they understand and are choosing not to move forward, so you are covered and they are fully informed. Think of it like a doctor recommending surgery. If you say no, the doctor still writes it in your file so there is proof you were warned, and contractors should do the same thing. Create a simple decline of service form that lists the problem, why it matters, and what could happen if it is ignored, then have the customer sign and date it. Something most people do not know is that legal experts often recommend keeping these forms for at least 7 years, since problems from ignored repairs can show up long after the job is finished. Take a photo of the issue before you leave, attach it to the form, and keep a copy for yourself while giving one to the customer. This one extra step can protect you if something breaks or becomes dangerous later on. One common mistake is only discussing the refusal out loud and never getting it in writing, so always put it on paper or send a follow-up email instead. Another misconception is believing that a refusal automatically clears you of all responsibility. But that is not always true if the issue is a safety hazard, so your written explanation should clearly spell out the danger. Many people also forget to follow up, and a simple message a few weeks later asking if they have reconsidered shows good faith and keeps the door open. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.